So there are two different kinds of representations for the reactions we can give for this. Of course, we have said that in a chemical reaction, we have the reactants and the product side as I have demonstrated. And then we shall have a demonstration for those two different scenarios. Now for the first scenario, you get that we use this general equation, reactant plus heat. Heat is taken into the system equals the product. Now for scenario 2, that is for exothermic, we'll have the reactants, we get the heat plus the product. So basically speaking, or in simple terms, in this case, heat is taken into the system, heat is dissipated or taken away from the system. So as we have demonstrated this, so when heat is taken into the system, we consider this one as a temperature. Of course, we consider this one as a temperature of the surrounding, of course decreasing because heat is taken away from the surrounding, and temperature of the system increasing in scenario 2, whereby we find that of course, or as we can demonstrate in this case, when temperature is taken from the surrounding, we can of course measure that one and say that the temperature of the surrounding is decreasing. While that one of the system is increasing, and the reverse is happening on the other side. So still we can do a reverse of this equation, and for this one temperature we can assume it to be positive and that one to be negative. If we were to assume that it's only the products which are formed, of course we can just have Q moving to the other side of the equation, and for this case, for exothermic, endothermic, Q will be positive and the heat there will be negative, and that one illustrates basically the direction of the heat from the surrounding into the system, or the reverse. So for that case, thank you guys for this lesson. Of course, I hope we have learned one or two. As we are proceeding, we are going to talk, of course, the remaining part of what we refer to as the thermochemical properties, before we go and tackle some of the problems that we may encounter in one examples or two, and also engage in the comment sections of what maybe some of our members may raise in one of or two of the videos that we're going to do. So for that case, for today, thank you. Bye. God bless you.